Salicylic acid, retinol, clay mask, niacinamide, azelaic acid, AHA, BHA. If you have all these skincare ingredients products right now and you're also using them constantly, I completely understand why you might be having problems with your skin, especially if you have skin of color. I see comments every single day from you guys trying everything under the sun to treat concerns like large pores, pigmentation, or early texture, only to find out that nothing is actually working. The internet has convinced us if this skincare product is not working, you should try the next one. If this is not working, buy another one and another one. But the science says exactly opposite. So in today's video, I'm going to throw out the random trial and error approach and I'm going to show you how to build a real science-backed skincare routine for your 30s is specifically designed for your skin type and climate. So you can actually protect your skin, get rid of some of these concerns, and also prevent signs of aging before they even start. Hi, I'm Neha, a certified skincare consultant, and I test and analyze these formulations firsthand on my own brown skin. And I work with my clients every single day to untangle this exact kind of product chaos. But here is a reality: trying to treat pigmentation, large pores, or early aging just by copying the viral internet trends only leads to irritated skin and wasted money. If you want a routine built on skin science that accounts for your skin type, your environment, and your goals, I can help sort out yours. For that, you can check the first link in the description below. Now, when I talk about avoiding the random trial and error, it really comes down to the first thing: choosing the right product for your skin. You shouldn't just buy something because it's viral on your feed. For example, if you have oily skin or you are prone to clogged pores, you need to watch out for heavy oils, something like coconut oil, which is quite high in its comedogenic scale. But an option like jojoba oil has a much lower rating and can sit very well on many skin types without causing any congestion. And it goes beyond just oils. If your skin easily reacts or breakouts, look at the synthetic emollients in the base. Ingredients like isopropyl myristate or ethyl hexyl palmitate give lotions that nice silky feel, but they are heavily pore clogging. On the flip side, if you have dehydrated skin or your barrier is struggling, you need formulas that are built with ingredients like squalene or simple lipids that help support your barrier without suffocating it. Choosing skincare is a science of compatibility and it shouldn't just be a guessing game. Now, second, if you look at almost anyone trying to treat enlarged pores, pigmentation, stubborn texture, the real culprit isn't that they need another active ingredient. The most likely thing is their skin barrier might already be compromised. Think of your barrier like a brick wall. When these protective lipids get stripped away, whether from over-exfoliating or using harsh products, your skin starts losing water rapidly. That microinflammation sends your pigment-producing cells into panic, tell them to produce more, and hence you end up with a dark spot. It also dehydrates the surrounding tissue, making your pores look stretched out and way more noticeable than they actually are. And until you fix that foundation first, throwing any active, any ingredient on that skin concern is just going to make it worse. You have to repair your barrier before you expect any active to work the way it is supposed to. Now, if you aren't sure if you have a compromised barrier, I put together a free repair guide which tells you what to look out for if you have one and how to treat it. You can simply download it from the link below. Now, the third thing that is very important to understand: your skin does not exist in vacuum. Your routine, your skincare routine, has to adapt to your climate and your immediate environment. Are you sitting in air conditioning all day that dehydrates your epidermis? Are you outdoors in high humidity? Or how are your sleep patterns affecting your cortisol levels? And all of these variables dictate how your skin behaves. So your routine needs to match your own actual life, not someone else's aesthetic video. Moving on to the fourth very important thing. When you are building a smart routine, a preventative routine, you don't need to throw all 4 products all at once on your face. Depending on your skin's tolerance, you introduce things slowly, usually working with 1 or at most 2 actives at a time, so you can actually isolate what is working and what is not. And sure, today we live in an era where we can talk to AI about the ingredient chemistry all day long, but AI can't feel your skin. It's you who can feel your skin and you who can decide what ingredient should be taken forward and what ingredient doesn't really suit your skin type. The ultimate diagnostic tool you have is your own tactile and sensory feedback. When you apply a product, how does your skin feel an hour later, 2 days later? Is there a low-grade nagging tightness? Does your face feel uncomfortably aware of itself? Do you feel a subtle dehydration, dryness creeping in by afternoon? That sensory feedback is your skin talking to you. If a product makes your skin feel stressed, it doesn't matter how viral it is not right for your routine. Now, the fifth thing you need to pay attention to is if you have been following skincare content, you might have come across or heard over and over again, dermatological science often points to a minimalist approach to skincare routine for long-term health. Clinical reviews on barrier maintenance show that simpler routines with high compliance outperform the 10-step skincare routine most of the times. And when you streamline your entire skincare routine around your skin, around your environment, and the actual feedback your skin is giving to you, you stop reacting to concerns. Instead, you start preventing them even before they show up. Now, building a routine that actually prevents aging and respects your barrier doesn't necessarily need to be a complex game of trial and error. It's all about looking at your formulations, respecting your barrier, and tailoring everything to your unique skin type and climate. Now, if you want to see how all of this comes together in practice, I recently filmed a detailed walkthrough where I talked about step-by-step approach on how I would overhaul and fix a skincare routine from scratch. That video is linked up here in the cards and also somewhere on your screen. I will see you there. Thank you for watching.